Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've literally recorded this video 3 times already. I've done one makeup look, didn't like it, erased it. Did another makeup look, didn't like it, erased it. And now this is the 3rd time that I'm gonna try and do a makeup look, and I hope that it comes out the way that I have envisioned it, because so far it hasn't. So yeah, let me see if I can do this. So I'm gonna use my Morphe 3502 palette. So far I've been using this palette. Like I said, it's not come out the way that I've wanted it to. So we're gonna try this again because we don't want to give up in life, okay? So the first color I'm going to go in with is Orb. I'm going to use this color for the 15th time as a transition color. So I'm going to put that color here. Terracotta is really pretty. I'm going to go in with terracotta real quick. Okay, so you can't really even see terracotta, so I can't see terracotta. I doubt y'all can see the difference because I can't see it. So I'm going to go in with Rich. Okay, so now that I got that one in, hope you guys can see it. It's a little darker brown under here. We're going to do a halo eye. I've been loving halo eyes, so that's what I'm going to do today. Let me blend this back out just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, I'm going to put down, what color am I going to put down first? Let's see. I really am liking this color called Polished. I think I'm going to put that color in the middle. Should I do that? I'm thinking about it like, wait a minute, should I even go in with, I'm gonna try a matte color first, because now that I think about it, I probably should do a matte color first. So let me look at my brushes that are actually clean, because I don't have that many anymore. Alright, so the first color I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with Toast, which is a brown color. Alright, and then the next color is, now I'm going to go in with Zippy. I'm really going to have to blend these colors, you know, to make them not look so like just in one place. I see why some people decide to cut the crease first and then do this. I've been trying to figure out which way is best for me right now. I'm not really sure what way I like to do it best. Okay, going back in with the previous color. What brush did I use? Okay, it was this one. Going back in with Toast. Doing a halo eye is really a lot of back and forth because you want to make sure like the colors are blending well. That's like the most important part. So I turned my camera off because I was literally over here experimenting, trying to figure out what I'm doing with this look. Because like I said, I've wiped my eye so many times because I just didn't like what I was doing. I don't even really like this, but it looks kind of cool on camera. But we just gonna go with it, y'all. We just gonna go with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you guys what I did on my other eye, because like I said, I just really wanted to make sure that I knew like this is what I'm doing, because I'm not doing this again. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Toast. I think it was Toast that I used. Was it Toast? No, I scratched that. It was Rich, the color that I went into. So we're gonna try and duplicate what I just did on this eye on the other eye. So this eye already looks better. Now I'm going to go in with the color Wiz, which is black. Trying here. I'm really trying to get this to look as uniform as possible. It's really hard to do. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video was definitely a challenge, but I was determined to find a makeup look in order to get this done. I'm like, I have to get a makeup look so I can get this video out the way. I literally wiped my makeup off 3 times and started over. Like my eyes sore, like I'm kind of sore up under here from that makeup wipe. I'm just like, everything was just like, nope, you ain't filming today. But I'm like, yes, I have to get a video done today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope that you were able to follow along with the tutorial. It looks okay. It's not how I wanted it, but one thing I meant to say is I did come back in with some NYX glitter liner and do a little bit of glitter in there. I didn't film that part because I was just trying to be creative and I didn't know if it was gonna look right, but it does, and I actually like it so much better with the glitter. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.